in the new, you see in the new game, all the Sonics dip basically, except for Sonido. Sonido stay faithful.
I think Rat still plays him. I don't know who's his tried and true main now.
Sure. I think it's more
he's
secondary than anything
dual
else.
maining. I think he's dual maining Inkling and Sonic. Maybe he just went
Until
Joker.
Yeah.
Joker.
Yeah,
Joker
boy.
who? Joker
Yo,
2 jab.
hard
leaks.
read. Joker reveal tonight. Literally Kid A every single night in the Discord. Pretty funny. All right, starting it off. Oh,
You know someone who I do not like to play is Snake. He's got so much going on in the stage, you know, with between C4, grenades, and him throwing his combat boots at you. It's like, there's just so much, you know, it's very tiring to play.
oh my gosh. Sonido's keeping it even, but you know, think about Snake. Snake is just love trading. They'll trade every day of the week because they'll just live. Scatt plays really like intelligently too. I honestly feel like Snake is just such a. He's just like a wild card. He could 1 second he could just be like the worst, feel like the worst character with his recovery, and the next he's just like doing ridiculous things in neutral.
Right. And something I do want to know, that this is just not Scatt, all right? This is Scatt 2.0. This is Scatt with the haircut.
Reading that spin edge with the up tilt. Let's go.
Scatt that's gonna read you and hit you with that up tilt.
Yeah, he doesn't care if he blows himself up. He's like, all right, bet. Like, he'll take whatever rage he can. It's wild. He
I'm a
doesn't
heavy
care.
boy. Oh.
Yo, that Nikita might have been nice. That Nikita look hella sus. Yo.
Scatt, if you're hearing this, I don't know what that was, but
Oh, see? And the fact that he even puts down the C4 there, and you just see him like there. Like, you saw like Sonido like pull like ever so slightly pulled back. It's just like that mind game is ridiculous.
just the coverage.
Yeah, the covers, the B reverses, he blew himself up. He don't care. He's like, all right, like, let's do it. This man.
We heavy boys. We
Yeah.
don't care.
All right. 191 should be dead by now. Yeah, that's much better, honestly. Ooh, see there, like this man. Oh, he just knows.
He just knows, you know.
Yeah, he's definitely one of like the smarter players, and Sonido's definitely one of the most adaptable players, though. You see how he's like dancing around these. Any new trap he sets, Sonido like makes that like mental log and just moves around it.
Correct. You know, but something Sonido has to do is what he's doing right now in the second stock is that he needs to continue applying the pressure on him. He just not let Scatt play his game. You know,
Yeah.
with Snake. He just needs to apply the pressure, stay close to him, not let him throw out C4s and grenades and all that other stuff.
Yeah, like right there. See that? He's just like, you think you're safe? Ooh, good DI. Oh my god. But yeah, Spin Dash losing that invincibility he used to have. Ooh, oh man, almost. B reverse. Yep.
That back throw, yep, doesn't send it much, but
And that itself is such like a crazy like strategy.
wait, what?
Yeah, that B reverse, I'm telling you.
I would have not thought of it.
Ooh, he went deep. He's like, no, you get off my stage right now. So relatively even. Definitely really difficult. He tried to air dodge into that.
C4 in the middle of the stage. Take note of that. Don't forget about that.
Oh my gosh. Sonido just need that. The thing is, like, even if Sonic can get in, like, his tilts are so big. Look at that! Woo! But it's killer DI from Sonido.
Scatt just pressing all the buttons, throwing out all the options.
Yeah, he's pressuring hard as hell. And he know he can afford it. Ooh!
Imagine he died.
Oh my god, no! See, he tried to grab out a shield. Biggest habit, dude. I struggle with this since, like, Smash 4, you know, that's a good thing. Grab out a shield here is so bad. It's like, you get hit, it's safe on shield, you get hit with that, you need to just get out, you need to bounce. You literally need to just avoid it. It's really not that good.
Yeah, you're
It's
right.
the nerf, it's a severely nerfed option.
You know, I was going to try to argue that, but
You just want to argue.
But like you said, Sonido's very good at taking mental notes. So now going into this game too.
Oh
he
yeah.
knows, hey,
sure.
I get up till my shield. Don't grab.
Uh-huh.
Throw that F smash out because the F smash reaches across the stage. At least that's what it feels like.
No, for sure, for sure. And like, Scatt's really smart about covering his landings. Not only does he drop C4 and grenades as like these explosive falling down, but he knows that his aerials have like that, you know, that lingering hitbox. Like when he back airs and just fast falls, it's still like, you know, even won't be the strong hit. You still get hit by it anyway. It's like just enough to recover. Here coming in game 2. Staying the same characters. Spin dash onto the grenades. Ooh, very good. Good response. I like the patience.
Oh
Yo.
my god, we got some stuff going in the background.
Yo.
Chat, I hope y'all don't hear that. But anyways,
I can't. Georgia Smash team is pretty great. Ooh, very calm going off the explosive. That's the thing too. If Snake likes to trade so much, man, you gotta try to utilize that against him. You get that explosive, let me just combo it too.
so if you notice something Sonido's doing is that he's using that spring ride on stage. He'll up B, air dodge, and then get that second, bounce of the spring ride to go just a little bit high without having to use the
Kaboom.
jump. And potentially try to catch Snake like at the very tip top of the screen.
Ooh, clean back air. Yeah, see,
Wow.
honestly, right at this point, Sonido stopped. He's not playing like as like afraid. He's definitely respecting Snake's options, but he's not playing scared like at all.
Yeah, I think he's just getting hit less by explosions in this game, taking less
Yeah.
damage early on, so now he can kind of not necessarily play his own game, but definitely dictate the pace just a little bit better.
Ooh, that DI questionable, but he air dodged, so that makes sense. He angle air dodge. Ooh, nice. He's got to jump like last minute, but Scatt have a bomb for everything. Ooh, he spot dodged that. You know how hard it is to react to homing attack? It's pretty tough.
It's hard, but when you're scared, it's not hard. Right?
Anyway, this man trains every day. He works his ass off for this. Ooh, good tech.
His what?
Works his ass off. This guy. Ooh, good parry.
Just blows himself up. All that coverage. Where is C4?
The C4 and the
It's right there.
all the way. That's the thing too. Like Snake misplaces C4 once, and it's like, how do you like push people up till I think is that up till? Pretty sure.
Over in that chat. If y'all in chat, be active. I will respond.
I will. We will respond.
No, I said I will respond.
I will respond too, man. Hey, man.
But you know what? Who needs to respond is Sonido.
Why you hating me?
Because I believe this is best 2 out of 3.
Yeah.
If I'm correct.
Yo, if that explosive like went off, he didn't air dodge. That would have been spike. Like that would have been it. Nikita coming in.
It seems like that's so punishable. But they just, Scatt just makes it seem like, nah, like, I'm not going to let you punish him.
I think if he double jump, like a quick double jump up B then up air, probably would have connected up there.
Just got hit by C4 there.
Ooh.
Remember to always be
See, up B
cautious
all
about
the way. Oh my God, this man. Net taking it. All right. Ooh, Nikita, you dead? Oh no! Oh shit! Very good recovery.
it. Up air does not work in this game.
No, he does not connect the way it was. Yo,
Wow.
his back air ended up crossing him up.
Wow, that
That was
is not fair and balanced.
rough.
And you know who else is not fair and balanced in this game? Pichu.
Pichu.